Let's make an omelet with me. So we're doing like an onion omelet where it has like onions and tomatoes, but my dad has already made the onions, but it's fine because I didn't do the eggs and I didn't crack them, or we still didn't do the tomatoes, and we're gonna do that now. So let's do that. Okay, so now we're gonna crack the 2 eggs in here. We're gonna crack them in here. Okay, let's crack the first one. Okay, my eggs run away. Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1. So I usually crack them with me. Oh my god, my egg. Yeah, my egg. My dad had to literally put it behind. Oh my god. You know what? Wait. Just keep it there. I put my other egg aside because it was really bad. And my dad is setting up. Oh, I did it, guys. The egg has gave birth safely. The egg has gave birth safely, so we will put these in a sink. Let's do our second egg now. I hope it's not as chaotic. Okay, let's do this. Why is this bowl looking like we're making a cake? Oh my. I need to wash my hands after this, but whatever. Wait a minute. I think I found a shell inside. Wait, I found 2 shells. Wait, guys, I found a shell over there, and there's one you can't see, but it's over just wait. Or I do, I know this is off topic, but I like doing this with the eggs after I'm done. I just like cracking them. No egg went inside, don't worry, but I don't know why. It's just satisfying. I don't know why. But yeah, whatever. Is it still playing? Yes. Yo, my dad is getting the shell out. That was the shell. This was the shell that was literally in it. And is that a shell? Yes, that was a shell. This was the shell. I don't want it to be no shells here. So we're putting that away. And let's see if there are any more. No, I don't think there are no more wait a minute. There's one, but oh my god, I don't want to get it out, but I have to because I don't want to be eating no shells. Okay guys, I got the last shell out by myself. It was here. I don't want to be eating no shells, so yeah, that was a shell. It's here. Yeah. I got the shell out, and now the moment you guys have been waiting for. Let's mix this thing. Okay, let's put this away, and now I'm gonna just get a fork. I like this fork. For some reason, I have such thing as a favorite fork. I don't know why. This one is my favorite fork. I don't know why, but whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna mix these eggs, but my dad just passed me some salt after I'm done mixing. And 3, 2, 1, go. Let's mix. It looks like this bowl. It looks like we're making cake instead of an omelet. I actually never used it. My dad just recommended it to me. And then after we're done mixing, we're gonna pour it into well, not now, but we're gonna save it, and then after we're done saving it, we're gonna cut the tomatoes as well, because there's a tomato over there. Yeah. And now we're just mixing. Mix it up, mix it up. Okay guys, we're done mixing for now. Now we're gonna add some salt. Let's add some salt. Okay, let's add some. Not too much, because I don't like my eggs when they're so salty, but I like them when they have salt, but I don't like them when they're extremely salty, but I just add oh my god, that felt like a lot, but whatever, I won't even taste it, when I eat it, I won't even taste it. What is that? It looks very weird. What is that? Please. I think like it's just like a bit of the egg. Hey guys, I'm done mixing. Now we're gonna cut the tomato. We're just gonna leave this here. Just gonna push that to the side and cut the tomato. My dad taught me how to cut a tomato because he's the best dad in the world, and I'm gonna like cut it. He taught me how to cut a tomato, and he's the best dad in the world. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's hard to do with the camera like that, so like we're gonna do it like this. But the camera was literally in front of me, and my dad taught me how to do this. Yeah, I just cut the tomato, and yeah. So now we're going to do this one. We're gonna cut it in half, which is the most satisfying part. Yes. Okay, I just finished that other tomato. Now we're gonna do this last one. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, no, I don't have to cut it in half. Three, two, one. Wow. I just like cut everything. That's so cool. Okay, now I already cut everything. Don't mind that. I cut everything. Now I'm going to just save these. Wait, actually no, I need to actually like put these in the onions because my dad already made the onions. So like, yeah, this is scary because like I'm pouring it by myself. Wait, I'm actually gonna do this side. I don't know if you guys can see. I think, yeah, you guys. Oh my god. This is scary because usually my dad does it. Oh my. Oh no! My dad is helping because like, I never like poured it. Like I usually cut it and then my dad pours it, but I never did it. I only pour the egg. Oh my god, what is that? Ah! Yeah, so yeah, I just like did everything, and yeah, that was stressful. Yes, we're mixing it now. Look at these. My dad made tea. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna be like using the toaster. So we're gonna be putting 3. But like this only has 2, so we're gonna just put 2 and then we're gonna put the 3rd one after. And yeah. So it's on right now. Okay. As you can hear, if you can hear it, it's literally, yeah. They're getting cooked to death. I literally had 1 slice of bread and then my dad just added another, but it's okay. I don't mind. Okay. This is how they look. They don't look very like toasted, but like it's fine. Now we're gonna put these 2 in. I'm gonna don't mind that I said that. Never again. Okay, let's. We're gonna pour the omelet. 3, 2, 1, go. Why does it look like that? My omelets never look like. Oh my gosh. You know what I hate? When those white things, like these things, I'm not like, oh my god. When they form, it looks just like so like weird. I just don't like it. I don't know. Thanks for watching. This is our final omelet and let's try it.